This is the classic appearance of the Japanese knotweed in winter. There are several different species present within Britain, though oddly only one of the genders are present, so that all these plants reproduce vegetatively, that is, from fragments of the roots and stem. Their roots go down a considerable distance. It's extremely hard to control them. Constantly digging them out at first just results in more growth. It's also said that the plant, its leaves, contain chemicals that when the rain runs off them onto the ground below, it inhibits the germination of seeds and therefore the growth of other plants. So it totally dominates an area. Certainly from the observations here, practically nothing is growing beneath the plant itself. It's obviously an invasive species, though in Japan it is sometimes grown for food. So grown as a sort of crop in places. Just shows the success of asexual or vegetative reproduction, where this plant doesn't rely on seeds at all. However, it is extremely common and spreading throughout Scotland.